What a night weather-wise for us all throughout the area, and in some parts maybe not done, Jeff. I mean, we've seen it go through parts of the metropolitan area, but it's still out there for somebody right now.
Yeah, it's the first measurable rain we've had here in August, the first severe weather event we've had, and we're halfway through the month. This is time-lapse from Dallas from earlier this afternoon. We'll pick it up about 6:35, and see right here, this is the first outflow boundary to come through the Metroplex. Now that rain-cooled air coming through this very dry air, less dense air, and this heavy air rushing ahead of the storms, that's the dust. That's the dust that was getting kicked up from these thunderstorms, and the dust was around for a while, and then here's the second front that come through, the little roll cloud there. That's the outflow boundary from the actual rain that came in. And then the rain, well, it was about 1 inch to 2 inches of rain over areas of Dallas County. You saw some of that lightning as well. Here were some of the peak wind gusts from this evening. 67-mile-per-hour wind gusts reported at the airport, 61-mile-per-hour wind at Love Field, a 60-mile-per-hour wind in McKinney. So that's why we have so many trees down. That's why we have power outages. We were getting 60 and in some reports of even 70-mile-per-hour winds up across Collin County, up in Grayson County. Now it's just mostly light rain and some lightning across the Metroplex and surrounding areas. The strongest thunderstorms are down south where the air is still pretty warm. In fact, there is still a warning out. This is in Anderson County, Freestone County, and look at just the number of lightning strikes here just in the last 15 minutes. So there's a lot of lightning with these thunderstorms and very gusty winds. They're estimating maybe winds up to 50 miles an hour. There's your, in a wider view, how many lightning strikes are going on. So we have to be careful and make sure you're inside when these thunderstorms are going on. Of course, this time of night, most people are inside, and that rain, look at it coming in from the west. So we're going to continue with that rain for the evening or the overnight hours. Live shot North Dallas where it's 75 degrees right now. Rainfall amounts, by the way, in Addison, our closest place to this location, it was a little bit less than 1 inch of rain. 104 today. 104. That's the hottest day of the year so far. So this streak of 5 days in a row, 100-degree weather comes to a dramatic end. It's still gusty out there in Keller, 36-mile-per-hour wind gusts just in the last 5 minutes. It's going to be like that here across the overnight hours. It's going to be still gusty, even though the rain and the thunderstorms are starting to let up. That rain will be around for a while. We'll wake up tomorrow morning, start Monday, just with some clouds. We had a front come through today, cause all this. We have another cold front coming through. This is at 9 o'clock tomorrow night. And then as the front settles in the morning on Tuesday, we'll have a little bit of rain tomorrow afternoon, end of day, in the evening, a few showers. But that reinforcing cold front means drier air and temperatures not 100 degrees. We're going to be in the low 90s tomorrow. So we do enjoy, on the other side of the couple of fronts, some weather a little bit more reasonable. Mid-90s, certainly not cool weather, but not 100-degree weather. And you can see we go into the weekend with dry weather. Steve?